Welcome once again to my channel, and it's your girl Sephy. So right now, today, I'm taking you to Tini Waterfalls in the eastern region. So we're in the rainy season, so the car is kind of struggling to pass. But I promise you, we'll get there, and then you enjoy the view and commune with nature. Are you excited for this trip though?
Yeah, I'm so excited. The place is beautiful and yeah, this is so nice.
Are you Ghanaian?
No, I'm not Ghanaian.
Which country are you from?
I'm from Uganda.
Uganda? And you're coming to see Tini Waterfall?
Yes, I'm here for Tini Waterfalls and I can't wait to move to other places too and see the place.
So guys, the car couldn't move. So we have to walk, and I tell you today we are going to walk. We are going to walk. It seems like a nightmare, bro. I pray you'll be worth it. Hey. What's this? Guys, check this side. We have a long way to go, about an hour walk. Guys, I'm exhausted. My breath. Je suis fatiguée. I am tired. Are you here in the water? You're almost here.
Hey.
Yes! That's how you do it. You have to go. We are here. You're about to see something very beautiful by now. You know? So let me just turn the camera so that I lead you to one of the world beauty. Yes! Just look at this.
You've seen me try, you've seen me break.